we haven't made a video in a while, and I wanted to make a quick updates video just to kind of let you guys know what's going on. So one thing that has changed is Rhea's character. Before, I was having her be more of like a galaxy-inspired doll, so she had a lot of black and purple and galaxy clothes, and I really liked that, but I don't think she was quite right for that character. I've had a different character in mind, so I'm trying it out. So she has basically become like the opposite of what she was before, so now I want her to wear a lot of white and pastel and lace and pretty stuff like that. Right now she's just wearing a cute little shirt and a little pastel sweater, and she's got her white wig on, so this is kind of the look I'm going for now. I'm planning for her to be a unicorn-inspired doll. I will get more into detail of that within a different video once I kind of figure out who she is more. So that's one pretty big change. Another thing that's happened recently is something happened where my other dolls, I'm just calling her Or right now because that's her sculpt name. She doesn't have a new name yet. But the other day, something kind of happened, and the bottom of her lip came off a little. Not sure how well you can see that, but that happened, and I was really upset about that. So I decided, okay, I need to get her sent out for a new face-up. And I wasn't sure who I should commission, and then I was thinking, well, I know I really like Attila Tilly's work, and I never owned a doll that was painted by her, but the pictures online and everything, like, I really like her work. So I'm like, alright, maybe I'll send her to Attila Tilly. And since I'm sending her off, I decided that I was also going to send Rhea off. So both of these girls are going to be getting new face-ups. I'm very excited for that because right now they both just have the like factory face-up. They just have the basic face-up that they came with. I'm really excited to see what Attila Tilly does with them. I'm hoping to send them out pretty soon. It's going to be hard to send them both out because these are my only two BJDs, and I'm not going to have any BJDs for, a little while they're gone, but the sooner I get them out, the sooner they'll come back, so I'm really excited to see what happens and what they'll come home to look like. So I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little updates video, and I'll be sure to show you guys what they look like when they come back. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.